What up, Mr. Hip Hop Vegan coming with another video. And today I'm gonna make a quick video. I'm gonna make a juice for you guys. This juice I use for how to have beautiful skin. And it's just a simple ingredients to make this juice. I do have my Breville juicer, and it's really just 2 ingredients to tell you the truth. And this right here will help you have beautiful skin. Cut the dairy out and just use this and you'll have beautiful skin. So this right here is simple. We're gonna get cucumbers. This is from a farm, but it didn't have no stickers on it, so hopefully it's organic. They said it was, but it had no stickers on it. So cucumbers, and I already got my lemon water with ice. I like my juice cold, so let's get this going. Turn this on. And I do clean the cucumbers too with the same brush that you use to clean the Breville juicer. So I did just come back from the gym, so this right here is also a refreshing drink after the gym. This is gonna be my post-workout, and I'm gonna do cardio a little bit later again. So this juice right here is for real people, real men and women. So let's get this over here. Like I said, lemon water with ice. And the thing about cucumbers, like 95% of it is water, so I usually use 3. I might need less than that, so let's see how it goes. And it's simple, you don't have to make things hard. I know when people start juicing, they try to put the most that they can in the juice. And to me, I really didn't like that. Too much ingredients, really, I don't like those a juice with too much ingredients. I like it clean and simple, so. Real simple, just cucumbers. And if you don't like the smell of cucumbers, you're a loser. Boom. And that's it. I used 3 of them. Pull this back. Now with the pulp, I am gonna put it in my plant. Give it some nourishment and stuff like that with the pulp. I usually put a bag on here, but since I was just making a simple juice, I didn't want to do all that. But yeah, just with the rest of the pulp, I'm gonna put it with the plant. So I'm just waiting for this to drain out. So look at that, 3 cucumbers. Look at how much juice. Oh damn. And what I do is, you put it in here, and you shake it up. So this right here is cucumber and lemon water. Oh, that's perfect. Kill the rest of this. Matter of fact, just and then the minerals and stuff that you get from this cucumber juice, you can just taste the cucumber, how clean and great that it tastes. Perfect. So there you go, guys. A simple juice for beautiful skin. What I'm gonna do is I am gonna do a week juice fast with just cucumbers and lemon water for a week. It's summertime, so if you need a refreshing drink from the summertime too, that's it right here. Boom. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this in the freezer for like 5 minutes. And that's it. Leave it there for 5 minutes. I got stuff to do real quick, and I like cold drinks. It is what it is. I'm gonna clean this up and I'll be right back.